Watching in slow motion as you turn around and say, take my breath away.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chasing Vertical. So if you're wondering what that blizzard sign was all about, there is a blizzard going on here in Buffalo, New York right now. So all of our kids head off from school and we are on our way down to Holiday Valley for the night. So we're hoping to get some good video stacked for you guys, whether it be in the trees or just like hitting some pow stashes. We're trying to get some good daylight footage of you. All of our videos like recently have been in night conditions, and I would like to try and provide you guys with a little more entertainment and how fun it could be here in Buffalo during daylight conditions. So we have put the kibosh on drinking before skiing. Normally we head out, when we head down to Holiday Valley, the ritual is to have 1 or 2 drinks before we head out, but this time we're gonna squash that just for you guys, for you, our viewers. And we're just gonna hit the slopes right away and see what we come about. So follow along, guys. Dude, it's dead in there.
That's
There's
awesome.
no one outside.
This is Ian, by the way. He works
Hey,
in the ICU.
how you doing?
Ian, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure's mine. It's my
Nice
buddy
to
Joe.
meet you.
He has this app on his phone. He mapped it all out.
Yeah.
For 20 miles.
You guys are
Yeah.
leaving now?
Dude,
Yeah.
I can't. I just tried to walk upstairs like the elevator, man.
We did 34 runs.
Burnt.
Oh, good for you.
And we,
I
we
would.
did probably, what, 10 of them through the glade?
It was nonstop.
We're gonna go hit the glade.
How are
like,
the
right
glades now?
They were,
Blades
they
are a
were
little
great.
pitted. Stick to the edges.
Okay.
Stick to the. Oh, I forget that chair. Was that Yodler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stick to the Yodler side.
Yeah.
That's pretty. It's so
Okay,
shot
cool.
up.
Sweet.
Thanks, guys.
Enjoy, guys.
Follow the leader. Right through here. I'm good. I'm good. Woo! Just hit a wet spot. Sometimes you gotta hit a wet spot. Ew! Ew! Alright, I'm back. Phew. Roy's back. There we go. Whew. Alright. Whew. Alright, I'm coming out. Woo! I'm all good.
You went down?
I hit a wet spot. Oh my god, that was so much fun.
It was.
I wish we got more of this here.
I know, it's frozen. Is it really? He shouldn't have that in a snowbank, I think, right?
It's good stuff, but it's frozen.
Hey, it's free. It's free lift beer,
beer.
right?
Free lift beer.
It looks so delicious on your mustache right now. Oh, I can see how you trimmed it. It's so nice and quaffly.
Oh, that's cold.
Tell you what, guys, people are missing out tonight.
Yes,
This is
they are.
mint conditions. It goes to show you, drive in a blizzard. Forget the driving ban, just go. Just go.
Because it's definitely not a blizzard.
It is definitely not a blizzard, and it's definitely mint.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was it's good shit.
Yeah, it was good stuff. Ooh, I'm coming through again. I can't wait. You! Hi, Paul!
Hi, Paul.
We missed you. You!
What good is gasoline? Ain't that any cripple? And your big story's high. What good is gasoline? Ain't that any cripple? And your big story.
Chug it.
We just got done wetting the beak. Now we're ready to send it, right, guys?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no. Hitting that Bacardi a little hard, aren't you, Rob?
Yeah, I only had a half a bottle.
We should jump over Rob. Rob, will you lay down while I jump over you?
I would.
What good
Definitely would.
God, that would be some good video, though. Get in between the jump and the landing, and then just get them coming over.
Actually,
no.
If you don't mind if I leave a couple tracks on you,
Just stand,
I'll do it
just
too.
standing, you'll get the landing there.
Just put the camera on the ground. You don't have to lay there.
No, he's got to lay there. That's the footage we need.
Well, I
Stop.
don't mind him laying there. You should probably have a camera on him
Yeah.
and a camera facing up.
Yep.
You just have to go like this, Rob, when you're laying. Get them like this, and then lift up real quick to get their landing.
Sorry.
But that would kind of suck. Just stand next to it and go like
Yeah, just go between my legs with it.
yeah, there you go.
I can do that.
Just lay right where the launch is.
Are you guys doing
Which
the
one do you wanna
further
do, that
back
one or the- or-
upper
No,
close
I'll
or
do
what?
the one on the right.
The one on the right?
Yeah, I think.
All right, I'll set up. All right, we're gonna hit the jumps first. Then we're gonna hit the pow. Stay tuned, guys. Deuces. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this episode of Chasing Vertical. So what I ended up tallying up from last week, we tallied up 32,100 vertical feet. And for this week of skiing, Wade, Paul, Brian, and myself, we skied 49,600 vertical feet. So what I will do right after this video ends, I will actually put up a little blurb of what we're at for the season thus far. Right now, I'm a little incapacitated, so I can't add all that up in my head quite right now. So we had an awesome night tonight. It was by far the best night of the ski season. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we look forward to our squaw trip, which will be the next video. So definitely look for that. If you guys are new to the channel, and if this is something that you're into, whether you like skiing or ski boarding or snowboarding, consider subscribing. We'd love to have more subscribers. And if you want to get notifications when we post new videos, feel free to hit that little bell icon. So that's it for tonight, guys. See you next time. Deuces.